Sweatcoin, they said you need to have at least 100 followers before you can be eligible to withdraw whatever you have made. So this one is not hard. Just if go to any of my group, eh, you tell people to follow you and you follow back. You drop your username, tell people to follow you so that you can follow back. So just be dropping your usernames. Let me be following everybody. Then you people will be following me back and follow people on the group. You understand? So you see this place now. Right. I just click here now. You go to search, paste. I copied one username like that. You understand? So let me follow which of the limitless one. Let me follow this person. I'm Oyiba. You have changed 1,000. So you follow. You grab. So just be using the only username you see. You come to this place, paste it, and be following. Let them follow you back so that you can get up to 100 people if you are on this app, on this